What's up, y'all? This is Ken coming at you again from Ken.com. 1970 Pontiac Firebird Part 2 of the interior wiring wiper test. I just want to let you know that I am ready to go, and I've got these things all plugged up. I've already done one test, but it wasn't of the actual circuit. It was just to make sure that I had power. I don't know about I don't know which one is which. I know one of these is high and one of these is low. I was hoping that if there was a third one that I can have for the high-low beam, but high-low beam doesn't seem to be working, or I don't know what I'm doing. So I've already tried two bulbs and neither one of them work on a high beam. So for now, I'm getting ready to, I've already got the power plugged in. I'm using makeshift charger here, and I'm going through, you know how we do, circuit. Electrical circuit is not very much amperage coming out of there, but it's enough to light the bulb. And I'm tagged up going through, and I've got currently the juice. It's going to it's just like it was at the battery here. It's plugged into the, whatever this thing is here, power. And this power goes around and around in here and round up through here, and then it goes up and on around up in here and on up through there and on up through there, and the circuit just continues. Doesn't go that way. No, that way goes to the fuse box. This circuit goes from here up to the power switch back here, and I've plugged the power switch up. So now I'm going to turn on the power, and we'll turn on the accessory because the washer and wiper comes on in accessory and run. So I'm going to turn the power on. So I've got power now. Just to show you that I've got power, I'm going to plug this up to the wipers yellow, which is the hot power unit. It should work, and it did, because that's what I tested before. So now I'm going to turn it off, and turning it on indicates that there's power that's going to the wiper power plug. So now that the wiper power plug has power, and I'm just pretending it does, the low is gray, and I don't know which one the low one goes to. I don't know which one the low one goes to. Let's see. The low one goes to one of these. It goes to one of these. And the high one goes to one of these. I don't know which one. It goes to one of them. One of these ones. Okay, so now I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to turn on the switch. And when I first turn on, it should be low. Should be low. So I'm going to turn it on. Doop, and let's see if we got power. And I don't see any power. I don't see any at all. Oh, I got to turn the switch on first, don't I? Or do I? Yeah, the switch is on. And I've turned on low, but no power. I get high power. When I turn it on high, I get this one. And maybe my low is not connected. Is it connected? Yeah, it's connected. So we can see that the high is turned on to this one. And which is the high? This should be the high one here. This should be the high purple. Yes, that's high. And low should be this one. Let's check it, because there could be something wrong with another circuit. Let's check it to see if the low comes on. Okay, because it's not connected to the green ground. Alright, so now let's see if I can find the ground to this thing, and it should be working, but you know how things are. And Should be working, I guess, but it's not working. So maybe I should test something else out here, huh? Let's see. That does work, which means that it's connected. It's just that there's no power coming out of that gray for some reason. So let's see here. Low, no, high. That's supposed to be low, and that's supposed to be high. All right, let's see what we got. For some reason, there's no power coming out of this gray one here, and I was thinking the gray one was the low one, but let's try the green. The green may be the low one, but I don't think so. I think it's the gray one. Oh, I got it labeled, don't I? Wiper pulse, yeah. So let's turn on the wiper pulse here. Now I'm going to try the wiper, which is a potentiometer, and it's not working either. So that does it for that. For some reason, power's not coming out of there. It may not be enough amperage coming out of there, but I'm thinking that it should work. So I got the plugs up. Okay, y'all, it didn't seem like that worked. Looks like the high works, which is the purple. And I would think that the low would work too, but it doesn't. So I'll have to figure it out, I guess. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a minute.